Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Vaultuz. This one is about details and tags within an item. When you create an item, you'll have to give it a name, select the collection to which it belongs, and add a primary image. You then need to go into your item to add all the details about it. From the Overview tab, you can select its status, its price, its dimensions, add any types of tags you wish, and then give it a description. The description here will be the description that people will see should you choose to share this item. If there are any details about this item that you wish to remain private, then use the Details tab. The Details tab allows you to record any unique information about this item that you wish. For example, if you are keeping an ID about an item, you can add it here. When you add a detail in here from the Details tab, the next time you create an item, you'll be able to select the category, for example ID, without having to retype it in. I've added 1066 as the ID item. This detail is searchable, so if you click on the magnifying glass on the left hand side and type in 1066, you'll be able to select the item from here. If you wish to record details about the item that aren't unique, for example, the medium that you've used to create it, so in this case acrylics, you can record this information as a tag. As you can see here, I've already recorded it as acrylics. Tags are really useful for searching. So for example, if you click on this, it will take you to all items that have been tagged as acrylics. I only have one item that is tagged as acrylics, and that's why you can just see one. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you found this useful. See you in the next tutorial.